And now, the last point.
It is easier to build strong children than to repair broken men. That is one of my favorite historical quotes. It's from Frederick Douglass, who was born a slave and ended up rising to prominence as an abolitionist, just a strong advocate for empowerment. Listen, we have a great country. This is not a racist country. There's no systemic racism in our justice system. There are racists, there are haters, there are bad apples, and they should be rooted out and fired and punished accordingly. That's all true. But beyond that, what's happening with this anti-cop rallies and riots and looting, it has to stop. You're putting yourself in danger. Look at what's happening around you. Stop already. That's enough. It's enough. It's only hurting the very communities you want to empower.
And that was the last point.
9